First thing, let's do the credits. So go over to this tab right here, the text tab, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there are these ending basic credits. And as you'll see, they're not actually scrolling credits yet, but we're going to do that. So just double click to edit, start over here by putting in all the actors that you have. Don't worry about making this go past the end because we're going to make it scrollable. So I need to just resize some things. And I'm going to make that actor 3, actor 4, and so forth. After you do that, it should be running off the page, and that's great. Now that we've gotten that, let's take in another media clip. So say you have your video on the left side. I don't know, this is just the first clip I see, so I'm going to just pull that in also. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click this first clip, and I'm going to resize it down here so it's on the left side, like that, which is kind of like your clip was. Done editing, and then I'm going to take the scrolling credits. I'm going to move this guy over and position things right first. So let's see if that worked. That's pretty good. I'm going to just copy this, paste it once again so that these are kind of the same length clips. Okay, now they're the same length. Great. So that's kind of what we were going for. Now let's try and make the credits scrollable. So I'm going to double click and try and add an animation at this point. So now pull it down here as the starting, the ending, make it go all the way up here. And that's it. That's how you get some rolling credits with the video split screen. Bye.